I was trying to put on some mascara and I ended up going through World War III. Hey, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are in a little bit of a different area. We are actually on the couch to my studio area, my living room. I got this couch at Goodwill because I couldn't afford a real one. But yeah, I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to film in a different area because honestly, a studio just isn't me. I've kind of been realizing that my YouTube is just kind of based off what other beauty gurus do, and that's boring as fuck if I'm being honest. Like, period. That's not what I want to do, and I want you to show you guys the real me, and I'm not some cookie cutter little bitch. Period. But before we move on, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like me. It'd mean the world to me. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, first of all, I look like a goddamn mess. But you know what? I can't get more hair product until my checks come in. Let's go ahead and get started. This is gonna be like a more of a get ready with me type video. Like I said earlier, I feel like I haven't really been myself on YouTube, and I feel like it's reflecting. Like, I feel like a lot of people aren't subscribing to me for that reason, which is completely fine. Like, I get it. Like, I'm just a basic bitch. Well, I was a basic bitch, or at least you guys thought I was a basic bitch, because I am a basic bitch, but you get I'm a basic bitch, you know? But, I don't know. I just want to be the real me. Like, I feel like, you know, this is my dream. Like, doing social media is, like, so much fun. I want to share my story with everyone. I want to be an inspiration to people and show people that, like, just because you're young, like, it doesn't matter. You can work for it and you can get it. And I want to be that example for you guys. And I feel like I can't be that example if I'm not being me, you know? So that's what we're doing today. That's what we're talking about today. I just realized that I don't have a mirror. So let me go get one. Okay. So now that we're back, I'm going with foundation. I just feel like this year... Shit, I forgot my foundation. I don't know, you guys. Like I was saying earlier, I feel like I just, like, have more than just a beauty guru. Like, and I want to be more than a beauty guru. You know, I like to have fun. I like to do stuff with my friends and just, like, have fun. And I feel like beauty gurus don't have fun. So, that's not gonna be me. I like using a lot of foundation because I'm ugly. Period. I have so much stuff coming. Like, I'm beyond excited for you guys to see what I've been working on. Like what have I been doing instead of posting YouTube videos? Working on stuff for you guys. So I'm super excited. I am investing more this year, even though I have literally no money and I'm literally poor. But every time I'm making, I'm putting back into my channel and basically like laser stuff for you guys. So I'm literally so excited. You guys have changed my life and I don't know how I could ever repay you guys, especially my Instagram followers. If you don't follow me on Instagram, baby, what is the holdup? I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but it's just cohlsworld, diva. I look so scary. I am filming like lay right by a window if you couldn't tell. So if you hear a car, it's because I literally live on the streets. So, let me actually do my base off camera and we'll come right back. Okay, so we're back. I look like a ghost.
What is that?
Let's continue. I'm just going in with some KKW contour because I don't really like to bronze or contour. Like, I just like to do like either one or the other. So if I'm gonna contour, I'm gonna use it like bronzer. Period. Unless I'm doing like, I don't know, something where I need like high coverage glam, then I will, but other than that, I'm so good, love, unbothered. Period. Diva wig. Back to what I was saying though, like, I don't know, I just don't live the influencer life. Like, I do, and I love it so much, but I'm more than that. As you can see, like, I'm not perfect. Look at my hair. I can't even buy new product. These other influencers are rich as fuck. So, I'm just gonna go back to minding my business, is doing me. Basically, I just wanna be like that voice for you guys, for all the people that just go through really hard things. Like, trust me when I tell you, I have been absolutely through it my whole life. I have gone through it. I have had the craziest things happen to me. Let me know if you guys want some videos on them. I just want to become like a Tana. I don't want a TanaCon. Period. I don't really do a lot of story times, but I definitely will if you guys want to hear about them. Like, girl, I had to sue my high school. Like, that was me just doing the wave through my life. Girl, I got hit by so many freaking obstacles. And I just want you guys to know, like, you're not alone. Like, I'm not a perfect beauty guru. I'm completely the opposite of it. You remember my first scandal where people thought I ripped out an eyeshadow palette? So, I'm not perfect. And I didn't rip out that eyeshadow, by the way. I didn't do it. I'm going to be in Manchester and in London this freaking week with Doll Beauty. We're cooking up something hot. Like I said, you should be seeing it soon. I am so excited. Sorry, you guys. I like cannot do two things at once, period. I just can't. I'm not talented. According to Twitter. Twitter is so mean, you guys. Like, Twitter is so mean. They're so scary. Also, you guys, I've been going to the gym recently. I know, it's hard to believe. This double chin is still popping, girl, but all that matters is that I'm trying, okay? That's all that matters. I'm just trying to be skinny legend. Is it working out for me? No. But, I'm trying. So if you're wondering why I wasted such big shirts, it's because you can't see how chubby I am, girl. And that's just the tea. Oh, let me zoom you guys in. Okay, so now that I have you guys a little bit closer, I'm gonna start the eyes. But yeah, basically, my New Year's resolution this year was, my New Year's resolution was to lose weight, the excess weight that I gained while I moved to LA, which was like 10 pounds. And girl, trust me, my body has changed so much. Like, I never realized like how much 10 pounds was on my body. Like, I used to be such a skinny legend, and now I am just a legend. I love that I'm always just out of focus. Let me know what you guys' New Year's resolutions is. I'm just so excited to finally be like the real me, doing videos how I want to do them, not trying to fit in this mold. I'm just blending some pink into my crease. This is the Stacey Marie Carnival palette. Guys, I've been breaking out so bad. Like, I'm literally so ugly. So if you were wondering why my makeup is so bad, it's because I'm ugly. Yeah. Poor, ugly, gay. I'm going to hell. Period. Let me know some video ideas. I'm still going to be taking your guys' videos ideas. I'm probably just going to put like a little bit of a twist on them, so they're a little bit different. But like I said, I'm so excited, you guys. Like, that's all I can even think about right now. Like, I'm excited just to be me. Guys, I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know if I want to have this like little peachy pink moment, or if I want to do more. Okay, so I am back. I did a little bit of the eye off camera. I had to do off camera because, baby, I was trying to put on some mascara and I ended up going through World War III. Tea. But I want to show you what these lashes look like. I love them so much. Do I agree a woman? It's because I am one. I feel so pretty. So I'm gonna pop the other one on and let's get started with the lips. Also, guys, I'm pretty sure I told you, but these are Lily Lashes Miami. And I really like the Lily Lashes lash glue as well. You have to be very careful though, because like there's no stopper in here. Just because she wanted you guys to be able to like put enough product on. But be careful, do not like tip it over because this shit will pour out. Literally. But yeah, I love Lily Lashes. You guys can wear them like up to like 30 times, supposedly is what they say. But I would say probably like 8 to 12 times. Even when I was more poor than what I am now, when I would buy Lily Lashes, I would just like lay wear them until they would fall off my eyes. So they kind of justify the price. Like 8 times is kind of like a lot, and they completely change your look. You guys can use code cohlsworld. The link will be down below. Da, 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 da. Do you guys think I should be an opera singer? Listen. Perfect. Because it's so hard for me putting on my left lash. Please don't attack me on it. I have really no talent, so that's that. And now for the final step, lips. I'm actually going in with my Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer. I love this product, you guys. I have at least 30 of them. Like, I beg Jouer to send me as much of these as they can. They are so freaking good. It smells floral. It's very luxurious. And I love the feeling on my lips. It just makes it look so juicy. Ugh. And then it claims that over time it will make your lips look bigger. I don't know how that works, but it's a claim and I'm dumb, so I'm gonna believe it. I do have a code, not to be a coupon code shoving down your throat whore, aka Morphe, but you can use code cohlsworld. I really do enjoy this, you guys, and it's very inexpensive. Okay, everyone, so this is the finished look. Something very light, peachy, little girl glam, just like me. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And if you subscribe to me, I appreciate it so much. You have no idea. But if you're not subscribed to me, make sure you guys subscribe. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Let me know how you guys like the video down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.